Yeah, see, like right here, it's shiny and smooth. In the middle, you see, it's dull. It goes away. And this isn't complete. This is just a little sample to show you there's just a couple stages and steps that it takes to complete a process of stripping away the clear coat uh, without harming the paint, the original paint color, staying right above that paint layer, and then laying graphics on it, and then filling the clear coat back in perfectly without a blemish to where you won't know anything ever came off. That's what we're going to accomplish right here. So stay tuned. Thank you.